Hey guys, this is Riley with BizNaz 101. In today's video, we will show you how to get your Shopify store to rank high on Google. First, open the Products tab from the left dashboard of your store. Then choose a product from the list of options in your store. We will now optimize our product's title as well as the description and image to improve our store's SEO ranking. To get started, open our full guide using the link in the description of this video. Next, find and open the keyword tool using the provided link. Now input your product type into the search field. Then click the Start Searching button at the bottom of the page. This will generate a list of relevant keywords that customers are using on Google. As you can see, there are many results. We will use these keywords in our product's information to boost our ranking when customers are searching for stores. Now return to your Shopify store and edit your product title so that it contains at least one popular keyword. Next, we will add our product description containing more popular keywords. As you can see in our example, our description has many keywords, which will make it easier to find on Google and other search engines. For our last step, we will rename our image file to match the product title. As you can see, our product image currently has a random file name. To fix this, we will download the image and then rename it so it matches our product title. Now, we will upload our new image which has the correct file name. Then, we must delete the old image file, like so. You have now successfully optimized a Shopify product for SEO, which will help to boost your store's ranking in Google. That's all for today's video, guys. Don't forget you can find the full guide below in the description or contact us at BizNaz101 for help with your store. Thank you for subscribing.